Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website using Elementor. First, you will need to select a reliable web host and register a unique domain name for your online presence. Once that is set up, install WordPress on your hosting account, which is often a simple process with one-click installers. Finally, install and activate the powerful Elementor Page Builder plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. This foundational setup takes only a few minutes. Now that Elementor is installed, you can begin designing your pages. Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows you to easily add elements like headings, images, and text. Simply select a widget and place it where you want it on your page. You can then customize every aspect, from typography and colors to precise spacing. Don't forget to explore the extensive library of pre-designed templates and blocks to jumpstart your creative process. To unlock even more design possibilities, consider upgrading to Elementor Pro. This premium version offers advanced widgets, a robust theme builder, and a versatile pop-up builder. With Elementor Pro, you can design custom headers, footers, and even single post templates, ensuring a cohesive look across your entire website. You can also implement dynamic content and global styling, which helps maintain brand consistency with minimal effort. It's a powerful tool for professional websites. Before going live, always preview your website on different devices to ensure it is fully responsive and looks great everywhere. Optimizing your images and content is crucial for faster loading speeds, providing a better user experience. Once you are satisfied with your design and functionality, it's time to publish your website to the world. Remember to regularly update your WordPress core, themes, and plugins to maintain security and optimal performance. Congratulations, your site is live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.